KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio visual and control systems.
We're here at KeyDigital's Infocom booth here, Infocom 2018. Since last Infocom, KeyDigital's made a really great product release that feeds more into our core applications of classrooms and conference room. That product, KD Amp 220. That's right. KeyDigital's first audio amplifier is a Class D digital audio amp, 2-channel 20 watt or 1-channel 40 watt with support of microphone direct in, phantom powering for condenser microphones. So you no longer need to go through a audio mixer. You can feed it directly into the Amp 220, and you have 2 inputs to choose from. 2 analog inputs. One is a 6-pin Phoenix connector. The other is on a 3.5 millimeter TRS stereo connection. And your selected audio, whatever of those 2 inputs, is always mixed in with the microphone. We have independent volume control of that mic level, plus the master output on the amplifier speaker level output or line level out for pass-through into other audio systems or into your next KD Amp 220. You have IR controllability on a hardwired 3.5, so that if this product is mounted behind a TV, you can have a wired sensor installed, point the remote at it to control volume and muting levels, and RS-232 full discrete controllability for integration into the Compass Control Pro system or other control systems supporting discrete volume levels like volume faders and sliders. For more information on KD Amp 220, go to keydigital.com. Top right corner, you know what to do. Use the search bar. Type in the letters AMP as amplifier 220.